In this video, I will show you how can you use your Google Map in offline. You can see here I have in all offline. You can see here there are no network or internet connection is available. If I show you, you will can see here there have no Wi-Fi connection, no data connection. But if I want to go and select some place, you can see here this is a place. So if I click here start, then you will can see here the map will be start. You can see here I will can go here by the map, but you can see here it's offline. So in this video I will show you how can use your Google Map in offline. So this is a very simple and easy process. What you have to do, and you have to follow my step.
Head west, then turn left.
For using Google Map in offline, you have to simply go and open your Google Map. Before that, you have to internet connection first. That's why I am owning my internet connection. Then you have to go here on your map. When you stay in your home, that's time you can do that. Then after that you will can use it on offline. So for for using offline, you have to simply have to download the map. You can see here you have to download places where you everyday visit or usually you visit. So for downloading the offline map, you have to simply click here your profile icon. After clicking here profile icon, you will can see here offline map. You have to simply click here offline map. After clicking here offline map, you will can see here select your own map. You have to simply click here select your own map. From here you have to simply have to select the place where you used to go. You can see here you can select all over your country, all over the world, but I am not selecting that much because it's if I select that much it will take more time to download. So that's why I am selecting that, and then you can see here download option. You have to simply click here download. After clicking download, the map will be download. So you can see here this is my previous map and this map is downloading. You can see here after download, you can see here this map also have downloaded. I think the map have been downloaded. So you can see here if I click here so if I click here update, then it will be update, and if I click here you will can see here negative will be offline. So if I click here off the internet connection, if I select one of the place, then I will can go here by offline. So if you have to mind that after some day you have to update the offline map. You can see here you will can see here or in offline you have to simply update. You can see here you have here they say for updating before the 5 December. So if I update this map before 5 November, then it will be work easily. You can see here it's now is 2024, but it will be expire in 2025. So 1 year have to go. So you have to you will can use 1 year for free in offline. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.